So this is where the fear of public speaking comes from. It comes from this idea that I'm going to be seen, I won't be accepted, I'll be rejected, and I'll die. Overcoming this built-in hardwired instinct lets you be free to be an artist. Because try creating art when you're in the middle of the process worrying about what everyone else is going to think about it. I think an artist's job is to experience the depths of humanity and describe it poetically in whatever medium they care to share. What's so great about your story is if you crown yourself the best in the world, you start acting a little bit more boss. You start making bigger moves, right? And that's what we need you to do. We need you to believe in your story.